Hi, I'm Deborah Gartenstein with Quirky Gourmet. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Putennesca sauce. Putennesca is a tomato sauce with some olives and some capers. Just gives it a little more oomph than a conventional tomato sauce. So, got a small pan, going to heat up some olive oil. And I'm going to add some chopped garlic. The garlic only has to cook by itself for, 20, 30 seconds. When you smell it, you know it's ready. And then I'm going to add some chopped fresh tomatoes. You can also use canned tomatoes, whatever you have. And a little bit of salt, a little bit of black pepper. And then some chopped fresh basil. And you don't have to chop it really fine. Now, I went to the olive bar at my favorite supermarket because you can buy small quantities of olives and capers. You buy it by the pound. It's much cheaper than buying a whole jar when you're not going to use the rest of the jar for a while. So I got some sliced Kalamata olives. I got some capers. And then I also got these pickled red peppers, which just will add a little something extra here. So just put that all in there. And then I'm just going to let this cook for 20 minutes or so. You can cook it for 20 minutes, you can cook it for 2 hours, and it's good after 20 minutes, it's even better after 2 hours. So there's the Putennesca sauce on its way. So now the Putennesca sauce has cooked for about half an hour, and as you can see, the tomatoes have broken down and they've become sauce. So there you have a homemade Putennesca sauce, fresh tomatoes.